To me, I like how he's all the way to that side. I'll take it. I'm going to this side and I'll tell him straight up. Going that way. Oh! Just chipped it right to where he was. That's kind of a classic World Cup penalty shootout thing to do right there. It's just to chip it. Shout out to Pirlo. For the next round, we are doing a last to leave mini competition. So the last one to leave the circle is safe. We're gonna keep going until there's one person that has not won a round and they're eliminated. 3, 2, 1, go. Okay, hold on now.
What?
No! Okay. Tommy won round
I won round one.
so he's safe.
Now they have to do the same thing over again until there's one person left and they are out.
3, 2, 1, go.
Oh, Matthew's out.
We're calling that a foul, so just Owen and Isabel again. 3, 2, 1, go. Me against Owen in the final round. Whoever gets kicked out first is gonna be eliminated. Go. Owen is attacking. Oh boy, who's gonna do this? Who's gonna do it? Oh! Since Owen was already out once, he now has to have 2 goalies in the goal. Owen, you gotta pick 2 of us.
Isabel and cameraman.
Owen outsmarted us all and said Isabel and the cameraman is gonna be the goalie. So technically, the cameraman is gonna have to film from like by the goal, but he can't save. He can't save the shot. Oh, it's a
Cameraman.
That was a 1,000 IQ play by Owen right there.
They have cameras in the goals at the World Cup and they can't save the ball. Okay, so at my soccer practices when I was a kid, I used to have to hit soccer balls off of the cones. Whoever does not knock down one of the balls is eliminated. If you get eliminated this round, you're gonna have 3 goalies.
So cameraman, Isabel, and Matthew.
All right, here we go. Oh! No, that doesn't count. It's gotta be a clean hit.
Come on.
Oh!
Come on.
Oh! Oh! We've been here for a while now. It's actually starting to get dark. Oh!
I call that a field goal.
Oh boy! 2 balls
go.
left.
Take this cone away. 2 left.
There's
Matthew, you always make it right here.
But I'm used to scoring a goal in between 2 posts.
True.
Not used to hitting the ball. Oh my goodness! Isabel hit the camera. Is the camera
red
good?
card.
Come on.
Boom! Let's go!
Me versus Owen.
Oh. Oh! Yeah! Let's go! Let's go! Isabel has the penalty kick. Okay,
All right.
so who's your goalie?
Cameraman.
No, me or Tommy.
Matthew. My goal is to aim for Matthew himself, so he gets scared. Oh, yeah!
In.
Back in the game.
We're getting 2 people out this round because we are gonna do 2v2.
Nice.
Okay.
Me and
Owen
Owen.
has Clay
Owen,
Tommy.
yes. Let's
so
go.
I have Isabel.
Goalie.
I will be goalie. If you're goalie, you can also play in the field too. Oh, she faked Owen out. Oh! Let's go.
First goal. Let's go. We're winning.
Nice. I love the flashiness.
Go, Matthew. Pass it. Anyone got
Yes,
You have a
Owen. Yes,
teammate.
good
You have a
defense.
teammate, Isabel.
All right. Get him, Owen. You got him.
Hey!
2 to 1.
Yeah.
Come on, Isabel.
You got this. Shoot it. Oh, it's an assist. What an assist. Let's go.
It's 2 to 2. Next goal wins. Other team is eliminated. Come on.
You guys are going down.
Isabel.
Pass it to me.
You
Pass
gotta press.
Oh my.
No, I missed. Nice pass.
Tommy! Tommy! You get Matthew. You get Matthew. I get.
No, please don't. Please no.
Pass it back.
No. Isabel, go. Go.
Hey.
Get it. Shoot.
ahead. Tommy's gonna have 2 goalies, Owen's gonna have 3. If they miss, they're eliminated. All right, here we go, Owen.
All 3.
Good job, Owen.
Good job, Owen.
Final 3. Isabel and I are goalies for Tommy. Isabel and I are in the final 2.
All right, bye, guys.
Bye, Tommy. Game. And this round might take a really long time because it's gonna be the last one to miss a wide open goal wins it all. I wonder if there'll be any light left when we're still going.
Upper right hand corner.
Oh! Isabel misses! For this last shot, I'm letting Isabel play goalie. If I score, I win the video. Oh, I missed! I missed!
Yes!
There's no way this just happened.
Back in.
This is too easy, so we're putting the red small goal in the middle of the goal, and if you make it in that goal, it does not count.
My strategy is to go over the goal every single time.
Oh, nice shot. Oh, I missed!
You missed!
I hit the bar!
Over.
If Isabel
Wait.
scores, she wins the entire video. Guys,
can win
is this
it
gonna be like your
right
first
here.
win ever?
I never win Colin Amazing videos.
She missed. Isabel missed a shot for the win, so it's still going. Oh,
my.
Isabel missed for the win. Don't
Please miss.
And make sure you like and subscribe if I make this. Oh! Isabel, you have to leave the field.
Okay.
Thanks so much for watching, guys. Make sure you go watch the World Cup. Only happens once every 4 years.
Oh, it's gone.
Where did it go? Oh, I feel something. What?
A golf club? Where's the ball?
Last year, we made a basketball court in our backyard. And this year, because of the World Cup, we're going to build a soccer field.
Yeah!
In this video, we are doing tons of different soccer challenges, and the first to win 3 challenges wins the entire Colin Amazing Cup.
Yeah!
Last one of you to miss a penalty kick wins the first point. Can you score? Oh! Colin is out of the first round. Oh! This goalie might save them all. Hey, Tommy, you gotta stay back. Oh! Maggie scored a goal! If no one else scores, you win the first point.
Oh my!
Oh! I've never missed a penalty kick in my life. I asked Matthew not to hit it as hard as I can, but I am.
Guys, fun fact, I'm the one kid who's never played soccer before.
Isabel, for the win, you might have the first point of this video if you make this.
I will have the first point right here.
Oh!
Are you kidding me?
I'm nervous. You're gonna kick it as hard as you can.
Yeah! What was that? I am so excited because I'm about to win.
Out of the field.
Oh
Okay, no
my.
one gets a point this round.
What?
On to the next
Come on,
round.
first one to hit the crossbar gets a point.
Owen's the youngest, so don't tell anyone, but I'm using a volleyball for him.
We all
Don't
heard
tell
that.
anyone, we're standing right here. Go, Owen! Oh! I need to like scoop it.
What did you do? How did you do that? We all get a chance to tie, though. We all get a chance to tie.
No words?
Are you kidding me? Oh. Isabel, you are only hope to have Maggie not win the first point. Oh! Maggie wins the first point of the
Let's
video.
go!
For this next round, everyone needs a ball. So a nutmeg is when you pass the ball in between someone's legs.
Like that.
Like that. But the first one to do that to someone wins this round. You can do it to anyone you want. 3, 2, 1, go. Oh! Oh, I did it! I got Maggie. I nutmeg Maggie. That was so fast, guys.
I got Owen like before Tommy
No,
got
you didn't.
Wait, it's
Tommy
Yes,
got
I did.
We need to check
Check
the
the review.
To the slow motion. We'll see who got it.
So we checked the review and Tommy did in fact nutmeg Maggie first before Isabel nutmegged Owen. So that means you got 1 point and Maggie has 1 point. All of us have work to do.
For the next round, whoever can juggle the ball the longest wins.
Tommy has juggled the ball 25,000 times in a row. So when he goes, we can all try and distract him in any way we can. All right, Owen, let's see your best juggle. 2. Score to beat is 2. 1, 2. Oh, wait! Guys, this is soccer.
I saw
This
handball.
is soccer.
It was an accident
No hands.
slip.
No hands in soccer. Isabel and Owen are tied at 2.
This is Isabel.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Wow. Oh my goodness.
I'll take it. I'll literally take
You never
it.
played soccer in her life.
I'll
What's
literally
going on?
Guys, I have so many skills that you guys just don't know about.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16.
Whoa!
Good job. Hey, I think that might win
That's
this.
good.
Tie me up.
Dude, I'll play that.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Oh! Is that your brother?
Okay, the cameraman wasn't ready. We're giving him one more go at that.
1,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Now we've got the 25,000 in a row juggler, and we can all throw a ball at him.
Oh,
He's going and try to knock the ball out of the air.
You guys are like 6 people here.
The rules are you cannot throw it hard and you cannot aim for Tommy, but
Perfect.
we can all try and knock his ball out. Are you ready?
Wait a second. Oh my. I'll bring it on, guys. Let's go.
1, 2, 3, 4. No!
I got the ball.
Hey, restart.
Go! Go!
No, I got the
Go! He's so close.
14.
15.
Oh!
We tied. We're gonna see who messes up first. 1, go.
Why you just look so good? Well, it doesn't matter how many they get. It's just so long.
I'm tempted to catch it on my foot and just hold it there until Matthew messes
I
up.
dare you to try a trick right now, Tommy.
If I tried to catch it right now on my foot,
They have to leave a like.
everyone has to like and subscribe.
Okay, go.
Oh! You got it!
Yeah.
You gotta keep juggling it.
Keep juggling.
I'll stay here. I like this.
You gotta keep juggling.
We're gonna
Wait
check
a
the
second.
review. I sacrificed my ball to knock down his, and I think his ball hit first. So that is 1 point for me.
job,
3
good
people
job.
are tied in first place. Colin, you've got to get a point in.